22 feet per second, accelerating each earthly projection. The quantity G is the mother of invention, of aeronautic feats, too many to mention, like Buzz Aldrin on the moon, Montgolfier and his balloon, and the brothers Wright, these pioneers of flight. They're engineers, they're lovers, and they're loons. Oh, oh. Astronauts to be, study your physics, and don't forget to dream of the planets you visit, like Buzz Aldrin on the moon, Montgolfier and his balloon, and the brothers Wright, who gave up making bikes. They're engineers, they're lovers, and they're loons. They're engineers, they're lovers, and they're loons. They're the engineers and lovers, and they're loons.